Let's make butter chicken for 120 kids. With the help of Shawarma Man.
Now I'm gonna add the garam masala powder. Now I'm gonna add the chili powder. I don't want to spicy, my friend. I have enough hair on my chest.
Okay, that's a bit too much. That's good.
Oh no, I don't like that, my friend. We don't want to kill the kids, you know?
Also add turmeric, ginger garlic paste, and yogurt.
Now I have the San Marzano.
Yeah, there we go.
San Marzano tomatoes. I blend it up. I make it nice and juicy so the butter chicken is nice and creamy.
Also brown up some onions with green Thai chili peppers while the chicken cooks.
We're cooking up in here.
It's so hot in here. It's getting hot in here. So keep on all your clothes.
Add the melted butter, tomatoes, onions, and green Thai chili peppers to the chicken, and then add dried fenugreek leaves and cream. Also for context, we're at a Muslim camp and there was a chant war going on outside with boys versus girls, and the boys were just getting demolished.
Who has more energy, the boys or girls?
I think the girls have more energy. Alright, listen up to the chief. All day like, all day like, all night like, all night like, purple cabin like, it sound like, brother what? Brotherhood! Brother what? Brotherhood! Who's got my back? I got my back! Let's go eat some butter chicken. Butter chicken! Butter chicken!
It's safe to say that the boys made a comeback, and I'm glad everyone loved the butter chicken, although they did say it was on the spicier side, but you gotta grow some hair on your chest.